Brand new Apple iPad mini 2022-23 model with a newer version and new feature for your day-to-day tasks. Let's begin friends, take a look on it and see the technical information and review about Apple iPad mini 6th. Subscribe Heaven in 999 channel for more video and different subject. Let's begin friends. Open the box and see the features and detail about iPad mini. The Apple device available in purple color. So name and logo which available on box in purple only. And here is a 256 GB iPad mini with Wi-Fi compatible and also useful in 5G network support also. I already unpacked the box and also see the security details of device, and now here I am reviewing about iPad mini 6th generation of 2022-23 model which available in purple color with a compact and sleek design for your day-to-day task. Let's remove the lid on it and see the details of device. I think in this box we get the stickers and manual book and 20-watt adapt charger for charging the iPad, and here we get C to C cable with a universal cable for charging this device for a fast charging purpose. The feeling of opening the lid of device which is quite satisfied, and see the new device of Apple iPad mini with new features and newer version of 2022-23 model, and seeing the Apple logo in the device which give more satisfaction, and when on the device also you get information about logo of Apple. The 8.3 inches of device give a total satisfaction of daily usage of your fast and smooth operation of day-to-day task. The new of Apple iPad mini comes with A15 Bionic chip and with the 6th generation of iOS 16 version updated, and also faster and smooth process of retina display which give peak brightness and also refreshment rate which give more satisfaction using the operation of device in your day-to-day task. The quick response of display which give more satisfied operating with the application open and minimizing, and also day-to-day task faster and smoother. The iOS 16 operation which give you smoother and faster with advanced update which also helpful to manage your day-to-day task with a faster movement. The rare and Front camera comes with 12 MP which give more clarity and 4K video resolution which also give more effect, and it also helpful to take a portrait mode with very effective, and also the colors will look appearance as natural as which give more satisfaction towards photography. The tablet or iPad cameras are normally useful to communicate online with a video conference, and also video chat can helpful in effective manner. The fingerprint touch ID which give quick response, and also stereo speaker give a more effective sound with a higher volume, and also volume button helpful to operate the increase and decrease volume in simple manner. Also C port charger helpful to charge your tablet in a few minutes or few hours. And the tablet comes with compact with a lesser weight, lighter one which give carry anywhere to function your day to task in a smooth manner. The new generation of pencil and also keypad which compatible with this iPad mini, and also you can take a lesser time to convey or type your message in this iPad and useful in your daily routine. Nowadays all device comes with C type of cable or C to C cable. You can charge easily with the help of USB charger adapter. You can quick charge the device in a few minutes, so you can give long lasting battery and also safer for your device for a best result in a daily life. The 20-watt power adapter also help your device to quick charge, and the battery will charge in few minutes. In this box we get a small pocket of book which give instruction and manual guide, and also the quick start to the tablet or iPad. And after this, here we get two free Apple logo stickers which we can use in other Apple devices or any gadgets, so you can fulfill our Apple craze towards our gadgets. Friends, if you think or planning to purchase new mini computer or laptop, my suggestion, please go with this better and compact iPad with a safety back cover which can also help you to drop protection, and also gripped the back cover helpful for your iPad mini to survive long last with a best result. And please check out other details and information about iPad mini 6th generation for your best performance and according to your plan of day to day task of your routine. The Apple iPad mini 6th generation comes with sleek design, compact and mini size which impress you. It's lighter weight and also best different type of performance, and with a new feature and advanced update of iOS 16 which give faster and moreover best performance in a lesser time. The Apple iPad mini was useful in 2022-23 which give a faster and better performance in daily routine. I hope this small information about iPad mini 2022-23 6th generation was useful to you all. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel, share the video, and my other social links are given in description. Please follow there also and keep supporting. Subscribe Heaven in 999 channel for more video and different subject. Keep supporting. Thanks for watching. Thank you once again.